in simple, when we talk about the loci point and in simple Sadaker mechanism, then there may be three kind of cases. Two cases already discussed earlier, that is simple Sadaker mechanism and offset Sadaker mechanism. Now, next one is the Trunnion mechanism, as problems of loci points are there. Simple Sadaker mechanism, offset and crank and connecting rod with Trunnion mechanism. So I just give basic steps to solve the example, which may be based on the Trunnion mechanism. And I see that most probably students are trying to solve the example and upload in the classroom. So whosoever are upload, I just give the comments also regarding if they have any query or not. Otherwise, I'm getting the good response from your side. So please continue, and whatever problems we are solved in the lecture session or in the lab session, please upload in time so you are getting the good grade. Now, initially we are discussed simple Sadaker mechanism. It may be look like this. After that, we talk about the offset Sadaker mechanism, where we are take the dimension not on the center but below that center. It may be 20 centimeter, 20 mm. Now, third one and very important, that is crank and connecting rod with Trunnion mechanism. I just read the data, and after that we are trying to solve the example. In the mechanism, as shown in this figure, the connecting rod is constrained to pass through the Trunnion at C. The connecting rod is passed through the Trunnion at C. You can see the figure where one Trunnion is accommodated and the connecting rod is passed from that point. Already offset, but the point is fixed, which is considered as a Trunnion. Draw the locus of the end B. Draw the locus of end B and the point P and point P. You can see in the figure that P is after the crank and B is at the end of the connecting rod. Take AB is equal to 100 mm. Take AB is equal to 100 mm. From this to this, it may be 100 mm. OA 1515 mm and AP A to P is equal to 25 mm. Okay, the dimensions are given to you as per the figure. Sometimes they are not provide the figure, but they mention that the situation of the Trunnion may be below the center line 20 mm and from the crank center it may be that the distance may be the 60 mm. So the exact location of the Trunnion, if it may be provided in the data, on that time they are not give the figure. Okay, so you have to be ready with figure and without figure. Please, first of all, draw this basic figure with proper dimension. If possible, take the scale. If you prefer full page, landscape page, then no need to require the scale. Initially draw center line. After that, at 30° draw OA 15 mm. Draw the circle from the center line, take 20 mm below that center line, and from the O, parallel to O, take 60 mm. So that 2 points are focus at point C. From point A, take 100 mm AB, which must be passed from point C, and extend same line at 25 mm after A, and which we are indicate with the P. Please mention in this way, and then we start the solution. Now, as shown in the figure, I just divide my crank circle in 12 equal number of parts, okay, which may start from the initial A point. So it is considered as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and up to A12. Okay, very clear now. This is the basic figure, which not that much light. So you have to draw the light and convert whole crank circle in 12 equal number of parts, and start with the A1 and end with the A12. This thing you have to finish in maximum 3 to 4 minutes. As we know that AB is equal to 100 mm. So join A1 with C, join A1 with C and extend it up to B1 such that line A1 B1 is equal to 100 mm. I repeat, join A1, same thing we have to repeat for all the points. Join A1 with C and extend it to get B1 such that line A1 B1 is equal to 100 mm, and mark point P1 on extended line B1 A1 on extended line B1 A1 such that A1 P1 is equal to 25 mm. A1 P1 is equal to 25 mm. Okay. Same way, repeat that step for A2 B2, A3 B3 up to A10 B10, A12 B12, and points P2 P3 up to P12. All the dimensions line which you drawn should be light, while the curves which we drawn, it must be darker than our remaining dimensions line. So this is the example. This is the third case of simple selection mechanism where the connecting rod is passed from the trunnion.